See her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know.
Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to a new video. It's actually 1:40, so I'm actually on my lunch break. I had a meeting, but actually it's postponed a bit, so I have a few minutes to talk to you. Today I'm working, and you're on my laptop, and yeah, basically I've just been working, so I didn't have anything to show you this morning. But at the moment, during my lunch break, I'm gonna create a Notion space, a workspace for a secret project I'm working on. So I said that I was gonna film my screen, so you'll see what I do, how it works and everything, and I'll do a little voiceover. So if you're interested in seeing kind of how I'm organizing this space, watch the video. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to show you a bit how I use Notion. I want to do a proper video about it, but it's just for you to know how I create a workspace on Notion, and yeah, show you a bit. So first, I love full width. I really prefer that on Notion. So yeah, it's a little something, I don't know, it just adds up to the page. So now I'm creating a to-do list. You'll see I make different stuff into the to-do list. There's a title, there are some tags to know if it's more of a design thing or for the prototype or for some communication ideas or for user research or whatsoever. Then there is a column assigned to, which is to know who is doing actually the task, and then you have the deadlines, and finally the link to the file. I really love to-do lists like that. This is a table. You'll see later on that I make a board view. I really prefer board view for like to-do lists and things like that. So I think it's easier. You'll see just in a few minutes. And yeah, I love adding some emoji. It's something I love on Notion. It's really simple, and it also adds up a bit. It feels more cozy, simple, I don't know. So yeah, I add a view at the moment, as I just told you. Then I create some status to see if the task is not started, maybe it's stuck, or maybe it's finished. If you want some like tips and tricks on Notion, let me know in the comments, or just like the video whatsoever. I know that you're interested in some of Notion content or other software or I might be using. So yeah, let me know. I'm just putting everything not started because I didn't start anything. And yeah, here you go, basically. Then I'll create a document area. This is definitely gonna change, but it's the very beginning of the project, so I just created like a backlog thing, a table, and then I created other few documents that we're gonna need in the future, but this is an area that is definitely gonna change because yeah, as I told you, it's just the beginning, so we'll see how it's gonna turn out.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Bah, dans mon quartier,
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
Hey guys, it's 10:44. I've been on today's video since 9:30. I wanted to do like a vlog, but actually I couldn't because of technical issues. So I figured out that I was gonna do a podcast, but it took me some times, you know. So yeah, I'm uploading today's podcast, and look who's here. I don't know if you can tell, but this is my cat. Anyway, I'm really tired and I just want to go to sleep, like read and sleep. So can't wait for this to be finished, but I'm glad I found out another way to do a video for today. Yeah, apart from that, today was a really busy day. I finished working at 8:30 on some projects and everything, so I'm really tired. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. That was probably kind of really calm for you, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the